Hello everyone. At some point or the other, I'm sure you've heard of the term black hole. Well, black holes are regions in the universe where nothing, not even light, can pass through it because of their really strong gravitational force. In this episode, we're going to go deeper into this topic of black holes. So let's get into it. Black holes were discovered after Einstein published his theory of gravity in 1916. With the work of many people, including Carl Schwarzschild and Robert Oppenheimer, John Wheeler, a physicist, coined the term black hole in 1968 and also discovered the further details of a black hole. Okay, so now the question arises, how is a black hole formed? Well, a black hole is formed when a star collapses. This happens when the gravitational force on the star becomes greater than the nuclear energy it is releasing out of it. This causes the star to collapse onto itself. However, this is a long process as it takes more than billions of years to occur. The formation of black holes also depends on the mass and the size of the star. An average star becomes a white dwarf. However, if the mass of the star is much greater and it comes under the category of a massive star, after a supernova marking the end of its lifespan, it can either become a neutron star or a black hole. If the remaining core after the supernova is small, it is a neutron star, and if the core is big, it comes under the category of a black hole. The material of the star compresses into such a small area such that if the sun were to compress into a black hole of its own, it would only have a diameter of around 50 kilometers. Now let's move on to the three types of black holes in our universe: stellar black holes, primordial black holes, and supermassive black holes. Stellar black holes are the most common types of black holes in the universe, and there are around 10 million to 1 billion stellar black holes in the Milky Way galaxy itself. Next are primordial black holes. These are black holes the size of an atom, and we do not know much about these kind of black holes. Lastly are supermassive black holes. These are so big in their diameter that these would have the size of our solar system and would have a mass of 1 billion suns. Scientists assume that there exists a supermassive black hole between every galaxy that keeps the galaxy and all its stars and matter together. There's also a possibility that there exists a fourth type of black hole, an intermediate black hole, that in size this would be between stellar black holes and supermassive black holes. Overall, it is really important to study black holes because many scientists say that some laws of physics do not work near a black hole. The closest black hole to Earth is Gaia BH1, which is around 1500 light years away. The black hole located at the center of the Milky Way galaxy is around 26,670 light years away from Earth. Black holes have many key features and functions. One is the event horizon, which is the boundary around a black hole beyond which nothing can escape, not even light. Once something crosses this boundary, it is pulled inexorably toward the singularity at the center of the black hole. Also, black holes can merge if they are part of a binary system. The collision of two black holes sends ripples through space-time called gravitational waves, which were first observed in 2015. As an object gets closer to a black hole, it experiences intense tidal forces. This can lead to a process called spaghettification, where the object is stretched into long, thin shapes. So as we learned today, black holes are interesting and fascinating space bodies that have a key role in the universe we live in today. Thank you for listening to this episode.